20 horse, power to weight ratio. All right, guys, you know, life's too short to drive boring cars, okay? Go test real quick. Record. Oh, all right, what's happening, everybody? This is Nick with Twin Turbo. I'm a little bit behind right now on freaking videos. Dude, the DRL install went a little bit south. More about that. I'm gonna start working on that video ASAP. But right now, I'm actually gonna head to meet up Zoe, make a quick reel for Instagram. We got a new video editing app. It's really, really sick. And I'm gonna put the drone up in the sky today. Of course, it's gonna go on Instagram. I'm not monetized on there, so yeah, more to come on that. If you guys have been watching my Instagram stories, you've probably seen quite a few clips of me throwing that thing up in the sky, and it's dude, it's a blast. I highly encourage you to get one, man. The weather's getting nice. It's just all around super fun. The DRLs and the side skirts are on the car now. I'm gonna be working on that video ASAP. And let me tell you guys, side splitters, side skirts, ground effects, whatever you wanna call them, make this car look 10 times better. I swear. It gives it an appearance like it's a little bit lower. It just looks like it should have came that way from the factory, especially the DRLs. Kia, if you're watching, please, your design team, run that by them, the DRLs, and on the 2023 models or 2024, if you're still making the car, put those on the car because it looks factory. They are factory parts, but instead of that silver strip, put a light bar there. You know, and the turning signal amber color is the same color as the amber color in the headlights and on the side mirror. The guy nailed it. So Chris, good job on the DRLs. I had direct communication with him when I ran into the problem over the weekend. Super helpful guy. He even called me and like spoke with me, text. I mean, he's right there for you guys. So the customer service is awesome, just like KM Tuned. Amazing customer service, that's super important to me. The code Twin Turbo, 5% off, guys, on the KM Tuned website. The prices are already pretty dang low. With a little extra 5% should help you out, at least cover shipping on a lot of stuff. Make sure you're getting the best deal, man, so you guys can invest. I hope you guys are investing your money, dude, especially you youngsters in your early 20s. Please listen to me, especially right now. The market's on sale. I'm down pretty bad right now, but it's a buying opportunity. You only lose when you sell all your stocks. Do not pull money out right now. It's the worst emotional decision you could possibly make. It's a beautiful day out, bro. It's 64 degrees. The Stinger's looking amazing. It's turning even more heads now. You know, it's that time of the year, man. The fun content's about to come. I might be driving a Tesla Model Plaid, more on that. And the Porsche video is still coming. We've just been waiting on nice weather, okay? We've been talking about doing that since wintertime. My schedule's been crazy with YouTube and, you know, working full time. That video will be coming. I cannot wait to drive a Porsche or him drive my car and give you guys a perspective from a Porsche owner. I think that's going to be super important to the community. Okay, so I got to get off here. We are going to go meet up Zoe. We found a pretty sick parking garage. Where are you, Zoe? It says he's like right here. Nothing like a nice parking garage, you know what I mean? I'm thinking I'm gonna go back in over there. That way we're kind of like doing this thing.
Side skirts are silly.
Dude, thanks. This location's fire.
Good, brother. That's good, brother. Good to see you.
All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Twin Turbo. This is Nick. We got the M&S side splitters put in and the DRLs, but I'm gonna make a dedicated video for that. Right now, we're kind of just having some fun, making some reels. Got the M3 out today, looking fire with that carbon fiber wing in performance. More to come on this bad boy. Gonna be lowering it and doing some other goodies this summer. Stay tuned for that. ProClip actually sent me these for you guys that need some like wire management solutions. I'm actually gonna be using them for my office, but it's a new product they're carrying, so I figured I'd show you guys real quick. Hey, you wanna jump in your car and show them? I'll go ahead and give you a few, buddy. On the house, how about that? Yeah, so here they are, man. They're just like little simple wire clips. Man, it smells good in here. They go a couple different ways. They have adhesive on the back of them, so you can run the wires that way, that way. That allows you to like kind of position them in different angles, so you can make the wire run like super clean. You don't have a phone mount or nothing, do you?
Just right here.
You usually put your phone right there? Okay, well, we'll simulate it because your phone would be like right about there. Cool. So I'm just gonna take off this adhesive right here. So the wire would be plugged into the phone right about there. I don't know, this is black. Probably put it on the black. What do you think? Put just one there. I don't wanna have a ton of them. So look, boom, run it straight so it's clean. We could do another one like right here, boom. And just one more for safe measure. Put one right back here, and I'll show them this one. Yeah, so when it's on the black, you can't really notice it that much. Yeah, as you can see, just a clean option. You could even make that tighter. This is just more for a demonstration, but you know, running a straight line instead of it hanging on the floor or something like that. So, you know, pretty cool. They sent me these. Just wanted to show you guys. But all right, see you in the next clip. Look at this big old beak on here.
And then I found a carbon fiber hood.
Oh man.
That has 3 indentions like this.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing one. If I do though, it's gonna be the just like one little cutout right there, like a big one, kind of like yours is doing.
Yep.
But like follow that line.
Yep.
Dip down a little, but you can't go wrong with carbon fiber, guys.
You really can't.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber's the world.
You wanna go grab something to eat?
Let's do it.
All right. Making fire after fire, about to eat some fire. You guys ever had Steak and Shake before? Is Steak and Shake like an Indiana thing, dude, Midwest thing, or are they?
It's a Midwest thing. It's not really on the East Coast. It's definitely not on the West Coast. So, but the West Coast doesn't need it.
Well, they got In-N-Out and stuff.
In-N-Out, boy.
Yeah, In-N-Out's dope. 4x4, animal style. After you, sir.
Thank you, bro.
All right, guys, let's see here. This is the one. Where is it? Right there. Yes, please. Get a medium fry. The garlic steak burger is dope, dude. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Look at this, dude. Owen with the milkshake.
Had to. Always when you come to Steak and Shake.
It's like picture perfect, bro. Destroyed. Zoe's trying to get me to wrap my car. He's got the PPF film on his car, so he's trying to get me to wrap his car. What do you guys think? Comment down below. What color should I go with? Like a crazy color, like bright and bold like his? I could even matte mine out. Just put a PPF on mine, kind of like what he did with his. Make it like a matte black. I don't know. I said maybe camo, but he's thinking that might get old, so. Plans?
Yes. Push his finger.
All right, guys, so actually we were kind of sitting here planning a little bit. Zoe said he's down to go with me to Import Face Off. So
Yes, sir.
I think we got like 30 Kia Stingers rounded up, bro.
Sheesh.
Do you have any other M cars like that you know around here?
Honestly, I have not found anybody in this area that even has an M3. So if you do have one, hit me up. I mean, that would be dope if we could get a couple M cars to go down.
Yeah, that's what I want, dude. It'd be nice to roll in there with like a few people. So I know that I've rounded up a few people, but yeah, if in case you guys didn't know, I'll flash up on the screen. I made a flyer. The Import Face Off is sick. So there's like burnout contest, drag strip racing. I think there's like a closed track for drifting. There's car audio, then there's car shows, there's judged and non-judged. Like, it's a huge event.
It's gonna be silly.
Yeah.
Because James is gonna be lowered at that time. Hopefully I'll have my carbon fiber tips.
Oh, you're lowering
exhaust
it?
So I already have the AST lowering springs, so those are going to go on here in a couple weeks.
Yeah, for you guys don't know, the Midwest right now, the freaking temperature is like bipolar. It's like 70 right now. Yesterday it was like, a couple days ago it was snowing.
Yeah, it's snowing, so.
I'm hitting like potholes. The potholes are insane. Like, comment down below if you guys have crazy potholes like all over the place right now, but the Midwest is probably like one of the worst places if you're traveling through here. Just be warned. Dude, did you see my story about the one in the mall?
Yes, I saw that big old gash.
It's like a shortcut to China. Well, looks like they're gonna be paying for this. They took off a little bit of a chunk of my splitter, dude. I didn't even see it, man. It looked like an illusion too. It looked like a puddle, but there's a car in front of me, and the last minute I stopped, so I went real slow, and then as I just heard a
Oh.
I thought the whole front splitter was gonna be ripped off. Someone sponsor us with some airbags, man. Yeah. Part of the reason I went with the eBay special for 130 bucks is this right here.
Switch it right back out.
Yeah, it's like stuff happens, but here, check this out, guys. You see what I mean? So like, when you're looking down at it though, you can't really notice it. But then right here, it's like, it's missing, bro. Yikes. It's horrible. What do you think, man?
Good thing it's not carbon fiber.
I know. Well, I don't think carbon fiber would have broke.
Oh, it would have.
You think so?
Oh, you would have had a chip. You would have had a crack right across.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Quick story, when I installed this, there's like adhesive strips on this side and this side. Yeah. Well, dude, I lined it up incorrectly, so I tried, it had that adhesive promoter, and at the last second, dude, I was ripping this, and it was bending so bad. I was like, it's gonna snap, and it never did. It shocked me, because this is thin carbon fiber. What do you guys think about the new M Performance spoiler here? I guess this isn't a spoiler, this is a straight up wing. I love the way carbon fiber hits in certain light.
Oh, it just pops.
Yeah, man, it's looking good, bro. I like what you're doing. It definitely needs something in the front, though.
Yeah, it needs the front grills. It needs this carbon fiber.
With
it needs a lower lip.
The nose being so like aggressive, I feel like, yeah, with the lip that went down more, it would balance it out a little bit or something. You're gonna go all carbon fiber?
Yeah, this will be all carbon fiber, and I'll have a split that comes out to about right here.
Yeah, it's a match.
I'm gonna get the F1 diffuser that has the F1 light, brake light down here.
That's gonna look sick, bro.
The hood and all.
Yeah, man. So you guys gotta stay tuned, man. We it's gonna like
so
it's getting nice out. It's getting beautiful, so we're gonna take advantage of this weather. We're kind of doing recon on like awesome places to do the drone. We just came from an awesome parking garage at the top with a gorgeous view of the drone, and we're practicing the movements and stuff like that. So this summer you're gonna be A1 sauce. A1 sauce, dude, with the Part 107 license. Man, that's gonna open up some doors for us. So
yeah, it really is. And then I'm gonna start studying, and I'm gonna try to pass this test as well.
Yeah, you can make money with it then.
Make some money.
Yeah, commercial use. Yeah. So, all right, guys. Well, until the next video, we will catch you later, Zoe.
Hey,
nice
brother.
hanging out with you today, brother.
Always, brother.
Yeah, man. I'll catch you later.
Peace out, fam.
All right, and see you guys.